Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review and talk about this rocking horse that I got recently for my toddler. My toddler is obsessed with this thing. She carries this thing everywhere, like around the house, outside, in our backyard. It's very lightweight, which is nice. She's only 2 years old and she can easily carry this around and just take it places. The quality is also very good. This is made of plastic, but it's a thick plastic. This is going to last forever. I think the size is also perfect. Like I said, my toddler is 2 years old and she has plenty of space to play with this. She's probably gonna be able to play with this little rocking horse for a while, which is nice. It's also gonna be for our second kid. I love all the products from Little Tikes. They are always, the quality is amazing. That slide right there is also from Little Tikes, and as you can see, the color hasn't faded. We had this for about a year and a half now, and it's always sitting here in the backyard in the sun, and as you can see, still the color is there. So I love buying Little Tikes for just toys outside, outdoor toys, because like I said, they last forever. So yeah, highly recommend this. Love it. It was such a great find.